These two powerful, high-flow half-inch NPT air valves deliver unparalleled performance for 12-volt vehicles. The unique design provides high-pressure control at minimal power consumption. The valves support pressures of up to 210 psi and are constructed with high-quality brass to ensure continuous use through extreme conditions. Included with these valves is also a single-needle black face air gauge with amber backlight. The gauge has 1/1/8 of an inch NPT Male fitting on the back and 1/1/8 of an inch NPT Female compression fittings for 1/4 of an inch outer diameter hoses included. Comes with one 3-position momentary rocker switch and a black powder painted metal dash panel.